Good evening, I'm Carl, and tonight, growing concerns across the nation about birds. Yes, birds. We've brought two individuals with... Hold on. You mean you still haven't found Conspiracy Carl? But Conspiracy Carl's connected to us, right? What do you mean, Beige Carl? So you were able to access and get connected, but you still have not yet found them, and you're still at our mainstream area? Okay, that's good enough. Alright, cut, let's start this over. Alright, so we have two people with differing perspectives, and today we're gonna learn what they are.
Yes, Carl, we have made it. We've got him connected. Conspiracy Carl is here to answer our questions about birds. Are they real? Are they fake? Let's find out with Carl. Here she is.
I live here now, 'cause if they don't know, I know. Conspiracy Carl, can you demonstrate the suspicious bird behavior for us? This feather's synthetic.
That's a napkin.
You know, they sit on power lines to charge.
They sit there because they're birds.
Well, have you ever seen a baby pigeon?
Yes.
They want you to think that.
You're screaming through a camera.
Do you have any actual proof? You can see it.
There's nothing there.
There it is. Right there. Don't you see it?
They sit there because they're birds. Okay, that one's weird.
It heard you.
Nothing to see here. It's time to cut to the next show.